The world is looking for an alternative to a lithium battery. So non-lithium batteries have been gaining attention for several reasons. The first happens to be some of the safety issues that people have seen around thermal runaway, this fire potential that they have. The second then is expense. The third, which is interesting, is their ability to be recycled. We're trying to build a green economy, so we should build things that are created green and can be disposed of in a green way.
Because if we don't scale batteries quickly enough, that's going to hold back a lot of other industries. We can't make a green grid, we can't make electric vehicles and electric mobility scale unless we've got the right batteries available. Enzinc's rechargeable zinc anode solves a problem that's been around since batteries first existed.
The specific innovation that we've done is taken zinc and put it into a new form. It's a zinc micro sponge. Think of it as a sponge like on your kitchen sink, but made out of metal with very, very small pores. It has three major advantages. The first is that it solves a problem that even befuddled Thomas Edison, and these are dendrites. Dendrites are needle-like formations that can grow, and they grow particularly quickly in zinc. And what happens is they grow and they short out the battery and cause it to fail. So early zinc batteries could only go a few dozen cycles before they were dead, and therefore people just used them for disposables. The second thing is, as a sponge, it has immense surface area, an active surface area, which then gives us more energy than most or any other zinc and makes it equivalent to lithium ion. And the third is, because we don't use mechanical systems to get rid of the dendrites or additives in the electrolyte to suppress the dendrites, because we can eliminate dendrite growth, we can use different cathode materials.
We've got a prototype battery that we're using on an electric bike, and it's substantially larger than what the end battery will be. The end battery will be a lot more elegant, but for the sake of proving it's really important to have those usable prototypes that we can strap on the back of a bike and ride down the road.
The applications for the technology are quite wide. We're the only zinc battery chemistry that can actually be used for mobile applications. And the other is stationary energy storage. But in general, anything that a lead acid battery is doing today, we can do. So whether it's cars or backup power, we can do that. And in the stationary world, things like residential energy storage, data centers, telecommunications, anything that you're in a highly urban environment that you want something that's safe, that doesn't catch fire. And what's also interesting is, because we're using a water-based electrolyte, we have a much wider temperature range than even lithium does. The mission of Enzinc really is to democratize energy storage. We feel that energy storage is necessary for the clean energy revolution. It's the foundation, and yet existing technologies either do not have the energy necessary, or they're just too expensive, or they don't meet the ethos of recyclability. And that's what we want to do, is be able to deliver high performance, recyclable, and affordable energy worldwide.